3, 2, 1.
In the Star Trek series, what was the first name of Captain Kirk's only son? The answer is A. David. A forecast for wintry mix indicates that vapor in the air will form both rain and snow. Which of these is a correct principle illustrated by this event? The answer is C. Water exists in all three states on Earth. What was Phil Rizzuto's forte? The answer is D. Bunting and defense. What is the first search engine on the web? The answer is D. Archie. I'm light yet I can crush stones. What am I? The answer is B. Force. What is a fire extinguisher filled with? The answer is D. Carbon dioxide. The first automobile was created by whom? The answer is B. Carl Benz. During a vigorous workout, which will need to increase? The answer is B. Pulse. Which game features Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach? The answer is A. Super Smash Bros. What does Benjamin Martin use to stab Tavington's horse in the film The Patriot? The answer is A. The American flag. Which furniture item can be found in a study or office? The answer is D. Writing desks. Though I'm round all around, I make no sound. What am I? The answer is D. Pillow. Which actress played the younger sister in 1999's 10 Things I Hate About You? The answer is B. Larsa Olenek. I write with a quill, but don't need ink. Who am I? The answer is B. Book. I'm often spicy and grown in the ground. What am I? The answer is C. Chili pepper. How do plants support themselves above the ground to get light and oxygen? The answer is B. Stiff stems. Inorganic chemistry refers to the study of materials not containing which element? The answer is D. Carbon. What tool do you use for tightening and loosening screws or nuts? The answer is C. Wrench. Where are the olfactory organs of snails located? The answer is D. Their tentacles. Which influential historical person was the author of Tao Te Ching and founder of Taoism? The answer is D. Lao Tzu. What is a garlic press made of? The answer is C. Stainless steel. Some months have 30 days and some have 31. How many have 28? The answer is C. 12. What luxury fragrance brand No. 5 Eau de Parfum? The answer is A. Chanel. I travel far and wide, but my feet never move. What am I? The answer is B. Ship. I'm red, juicy, and grow on a vine, not a tomato. What am I? The answer is C. Watermelon. What is the term for a mixture that varies in its composition? The answer is D. Heterogeneous. At the end of the movie Arsenic, an old lace the cab driver says he is what? The answer is C. A coffee pot. Who was the New York Mets player who hit 3 home runs in one game in the 1999 National League Division Series held at Shea Stadium? The answer is D. It never happened. Which conclusion is best supported by a tree growth ring that is much narrower than the other growth rings? The answer is B. One year was unusually dry. What ocean holds the largest number of islands? The answer is C. Pacific. Which is a colorless gas used in refrigeration?
The answer is C. Ammonia.
Pedro Serrano, played by actor Dennis Haysbert in the movie Major League, came to the U.S. as a defector from Cuba. He escaped for the purposes of religious freedom. What was his religion? The answer is D. Voodooism. What is the logarithmic scale that measures the largest jolt of energy released by an earthquake called? The answer is D. Richter scale. What does QED stand for in mathematics? The answer is B. Quadratic equation demonstrated. I'm often used to hide faults, yet the more you use me, the more faults are revealed. What am I? The answer is B. Cover-up cream. Who was the Chinese emperor who ascended to heaven? The answer is D. Huangdi. Suppose Mr. Jones works with ANOVA regression lines, the sign test, and the Gaussian distribution. What field of mathematics does Mr. Jones work in? The answer is B. Statistics. What is the secret ingredient of the fake Krabby Patty, a sandwich mentioned in the series SpongeBob SquarePants? The answer is B. 4 heaping pounds of plankton. What type of creature jumped out of the tree in National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation after Clark Griswold brought it inside? The answer is A. Squirrel. Where does the heartbeat originate in vertebrates? The answer is D. The heart. In Bee Movie, what are the bees that collect nectar called? The answer is D. Pollen jocks. This classic disco hit performed by the Bee Gees, #9 on the American Film Institute Top 100 Movies Songs list is from what 1970s movie? The answer is C. Saturday Night Fever. What's found in the sink but can't swim? What am I? The answer is A. Dish. What is the sum of 3 and 4? The answer is A. 5. What is the smallest living thing called? The answer is A. Bacterium. I freeze the ocean, making it solid. What am I? The answer is B. Iceberg. The objects that push up through the deep black stuff that covers the ground gives us an item that is inserted in a sweet treat with a flaky bottom of flour that can be eaten with ice cream on top. The answer is D. Fruit. I'm a wind instrument made of wood, not metal. What am I? The answer is B. Clarinet. What happened to Malcolm X in 1965? The answer is A. He was shot. What is likely to be the most direct result of offshore oil leaking?